Hi, this is my light sensing Arduino project. It uses a stepper motor and photoresistor to determine the brightest source of light within a 180-degree sweep. And so as the stepper motor steps one step, it'll measure the light that's in that direction, and then you'll get basically a king of the hill algorithm. I'll show you that in a second, that determines where the brightest angle of light is. And so here's an example of it working. You have the flashlight, and this little button signifies it to start. And okay, and this is the code that makes that run. And so I set up all my pins and variables at the top, and here I'll bring down the serial monitor. And then down here in the continuously running loop, you have an if statement that basically checks if the button's been pressed. And then if the button gets pressed, then you have a for loop that iterates over the steps per revolution, which is 2048 divided by 2. And so that's half a rotation of the stepper motor. And so it basically steps the stepper motor one time each time it goes through this loop, and then steps it again. And every time it goes through the loop, another thing it does is checks the light value. And if the light value is bigger than the greatest light value previously recorded, then it sets it as the new high light value and saves the angle that that light value was at. And so it gives you a angle for which the highest light value that was recorded is. And then down here, when that for statement ends, you basically print a few things just to make sure it's all working right, and then step the motor backwards to that angle that it found the greatest light at, and then step it back to its starting position, and then reset your variables.